client who visited us with a specific requirement. He has a blend of gray hair mixed with his own hair color, and he has length. So he was needing a hair system that we could provide for him as a solution with the matching hair color he needs. So we have to take the measurements and the color requirements, and we will do all of this to find you the right solution. So if you are also in need of finding something like this customized for your own requirement, it can be done. So stay tuned to get the results of this client in the next video.